Sound checking the sound for my babies. Thank you. What's up, everybody? My name is Yasminda, but everybody calls me Yaz, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. This is no, that is dumb. Don't do that. Okay, let's do it again. What's up, everybody? My name is Yasminda, but everybody calls me Yaz, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I decided to start a reaction channel because it seemed like the fun thing to do, and I've really been enjoying myself lately. I don't really have much views or subscriptions or but it's fine. It's okay because I like doing these. These are fun, and even editing these are fun. So I'm gonna keep doing these. This is kind of like, because I have a lot going on in my life, my real life. So this kind of helps. It helps.
Woman, pull yourself together. Have some pride, for the love of God.
But anyway, so today we're going to check out another horror video. And this one is going to be from the creators at Alter. And this is a horror short film called Wash. Again, another YouTube channel that I've come across from one of Corey Kenshin's Spooky Scary Sundays. Hi, Corey.
Oh boy, here we go again.
Oh, bro. He's probably not going to see this, but hi anyway. But yeah, and they put out pretty good content as far as like scary. I like getting scared. I don't know what's wrong with me or who hurt me.
Who cares?
But I enjoy being scared. So without further ado, let's get into the video. I'm not gonna turn the lights out this time because the other video that I did that was scared, I turned the lights out. I was invisible. Yeah, I was pretty much invisible, and trying to edit that and try and make me look lighter was and is a headache. So I'm gonna keep the lights on, but the experience is still gonna be the same. I'm gonna turn my headphones all the way up so I can get all that good, loud, juicy goodness of horror in my ears so I can give you guys a genuine reaction, even though I'm not in the dark. Well, the rest of the room is dark. Just this area is not. I'm explaining too much. Anyway, let's get into the video. Just the music is kind of making me anxious. And nothing's happened yet. Why am I jumping? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know why I keep doing that. I don't know why. It's just, I don't know. It's the anticipation that gets me. It's like I know something's gonna happen. I just don't know when. And it's like the slightest little hit of heightened frequency in the sound. It just makes me jump. So sorry. First of all, I'm gonna need y'all to get a new washing machine, because why is a washing machine being held together with tape? And it looked like it already barely worked. I'm gonna need mom to step her game up. I need them to get it together.
Mama.
Oh, hell no. Who is that in the corner? Who is that in the corner?
Mamma. Kan jag få tillbaka honom? Kan jag få tillbaka herr kanin? Han tycker inte om att vara där inne.
Förlåt. Den var smutsig. Jag var tvungen att tvätta honom. Är han arg på mig?
First of all, give me the bear. First of all, you're not allowed to talk to things that I can't see. You're not allowed to talk to things if I can't talk to it too. Absolutely not. Put the bear. No, it's a rabbit. Put the rabbit in the bag, please. Thank you.
Det är okej, mamma. Herr kanin säger att han mår mycket bättre nu. Och han är inte arg på dig.
Bra. Är du hungrig? Jag har bakat kanelbullar.
Is the girl possessed by the rabbit? That's what it seemed like. Or is it the mom? What happened to her nails? Don't touch my finger. Did the daughter beat you up? Do you need help? Blink twice if you need to be saved, because it looked like the daughter whooped the ass. I'm calling CPS. All right, I just noticed that both washing machines, like, why they both got tape on them? They both being held up by tape. Look at them. Why they both being held by tape? it seemed like the girl was possessed by the rabbit. But the only thing I found scary about this video was the washing machines. Because how are those things cleaning anything? That's the scary part. But anyway, that's gonna be the video. Thank you guys for checking me out. Make sure you guys go check out my other videos if you want to. If not, that is fine. Catch you guys in the next one. Bye.